ba na nailathala sa isang article kung bakit pinili ng SB19 ang SMDC kahit na nga ito ay open area, mainit, lalong-lalo na nga ay summer? Ano ba ang rason ng SB19? Although, hindi man siguro nanggaling mismo sa SB19 ang rason na ito, pero on point ang nasabing artikulo. Bakit nga ba sa SMDC ang napili ng SB19 na venue para sa kanilang wakas at simula concert? Muli sa artikulo ng Medium ni La Dixon or L.A. Dixon, this venue choice proves SB19 is playing a completely different game. The move from Bulacan to Bay City isn't a downgrade, it's a power play. When SB19 announced that their Wakas at Simula, the trilogy finale concert would happen at SMDC Festival Grounds on April 18, 2026, instead of returning to the Philippine Arena, the question started immediately. They kick off the tours at the world's largest indoors arena. Why switch on an outdoor venue now? Break down this venue choice, and it's not just smart, it's brilliant. And it reveals exactly where SB19 is headed next. Geography is strategy. Why location matters for international fans. Philippine Arena is impressive. It's the world's largest indoor venue with 55,000 capacity, and SB19 sold out 2 nights there. But it's in Bulacan, 30 kilometers north of Metro Manila of NLEX. For international fans, the logistics are brutal. Land at NAIA, navigate to a bus terminal, ride over an hour through toll roads, rely on organizer shuttles, 450 to 1,000 pesos, then reverse the entire journey late at night with limited nearby hotels. SMDC Festival Grounds, 15 minutes from Ninoy Aquino International Airport. The venue sits within Entertainment City Integrated Resort District, walking distance from luxury properties like Soler Resort and Casino, City of Dreams Manila, and Okada Manila. These hotels offer 24-hour services and world-class amenities. Add SM Mall of Asia nearby for shopping and dining, plus quick access to quality hospitals, and you have everything in an international tourist needs. After a 21-stop world tour hitting Los Angeles, Dubai, Singapore, and Sydney, SB19 knows their fan base is global. The finale venue choice reflects that reality, maximum accessibility for international 18. The capacity, reality, outdoor venues can actually hold more. Everyone assumes SB19 is downgrading from 55,000 capacity to 50,000. That's not how outdoor venues work. Philippine Arena's 55,000 is hard ceiling because of fire codes, building structures, and safety regulations. You cannot exceed that number. It's physically impossible. SMDC Festival Grounds lists 50,000 to 55,000 as the official capacity. However, the Eraserheads reunion concert in 2022 drew 75,000 people. Ben and Ben's homecoming hit 65,000. The official number is a baseline, not a limit. Outdoor venues can expand. You can adjust layouts, extend viewing, areas accommodate more people when demand exists. Indoor arenas can't. SB19 isn't just choosing a smaller venue. They're choosing one that can potentially hold 20,000 more people than Philippine Arena if the trilogy finale demands it. They've already proven they can sell out the world's largest indoor arena twice. They don't need to prove that again. I think yun ang rason at very on point nga ang artikulo ng Medium. Ano ang masasay nyo? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.